Welcome back to Crosstown. Let's add this phone to Android Auto. From the home screen, you'll choose CarPlay and add My Phone. Once you've done that, you'll open the Bluetooth in your phone, toggle it on, and click the My Cadillac, or the respective vehicle that you've just purchased. Once you've chosen that, you should find that a number will come up on your phone as well as the dash. Make sure that they match and hit pair. Don't be discouraged if it shows that it's not connected. What that means is that you still have some options to press on your phone. So you're going to allow any of the pop-ups and obviously deny if you don't want those options. And then your phone has to be at the most recent update available. So once your phone is completely updated, you should be able to open your CarPlay, or in this case, Android Auto. Once the phone has been updated, go back into your Bluetooth settings, choose on the My Cadillac, and then hit continue on the screen, and it'll pull open all of your phone settings. A quick way to open Android Auto when you already have your phone hooked up is just to press and hold the home button. It'll allow you to open Android Auto. Let's play some music. Now say you're trading in your vehicle. You can go into the settings of the My Cadillac app and disconnect or unpair for indefinitely. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.